Friends, you must be hearing about this AI basically for jobs, and that what you are hearing, that AI will replace your jobs and the unemployment will increase, lot of jobs will be taken away. I have already made a video about the jobs which is going to be created and the jobs being replaced as per the World Economic Forum. You can go through that video. But today we'll discuss about your job. How safe is your job? So today's topic is AI steal your job by 2030? And the truth you should know today, now, so that you stay ahead. The tagline is AI is changing world. AI is changing the world. Will your job survive? Watch before it is too late. So before going to the topic, I'm welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bracket the Sixth Sense PH, where we are building super achievers. Here also, we are integrating artificial intelligence, AI, sense, learning, health, and spirituality. And so that you become a super achiever and live a purposeful, joyful, and rich life. Holistically, you will develop. So, are you interested? Please join with us. Let's understand what is the basic thing that AI is doing. Like I'm using AI for my content creation ideas and the script. I give a prompt that I want a script for this video. I get the script, then I refine it. I use my knowledge. So this is the low end of AI. That's narrow AI. That means you are using AI for his content creation, ideas, data analysis, and reports. Like in my previous organizations, report creation is very easy because they were using Power BI. And from the SAP, all the reports are being interconnected with Power BI. So you get the report and take decisions. How fast? Earlier, Excel, you have to data entry, make a Excel sheet, then make some formulas, those things, and get a report. So those are being done within a 5 minutes now, the reports. Earlier, it may be taking some 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3, depending upon your performance. So definitely, the AI or automations, actually, if you say they are integrated, they are replacing the jobs. Let us see which type of jobs are being replaced and which type of job are being created, and what is the basic behind these things. So in today's videos, we'll diagnose or see which jobs are at risk and what exactly new careers are being created. It is how you can stay ahead in this AI revolutionization. The first is the fear. What is the fear for this AI? Will AI replace you as a human being? Already it is replacing, no? Some of the jobs you must have seen these repetitive jobs like data entry. As I was telling you, suppose you want to enter the data in Excel sheet, that is being replaced. AI can do those things, not required. Automation, the ERP software is there, data is entered automatically when you do something, and reports can be generated. Customer service. When you go to a bank site, no, automatically there is chatbot. If you want any help, it will start asking you, can I help you? Or may I help you? Then you type your questions, the answers already pre-questions and answers are already being into stored. You will get the answers. Then if you are not satisfied, then you can contact the person, the customer representative. So some jobs are being replaced. Already it is being replaced, isn't it? Earlier, the content writers, they were writing the contents by hand, by using their brain. But nowadays, this ChatGPT and AI is doing. So there are some jobs that is being replaced already. So what is the catch here? See, it is not only replacing but also creating some jobs. And what are the real actually opportunity lies? Where are the actually real opportunities? That we have to see the next. What is the reality? Next one is what is the reality. What type of jobs are being created? Let us take an example of ATM. Earlier, what you when you want to withdraw some rupees from bank, usually you go to the bank, apply through a withdrawal slip. Then the bank teller will give you the money when your terms come. That means when you are in a queue, when your term comes, then you go and take the money. But now ATM is available. You go directly within the money, within a 5 minutes, you get the money. So people thought that computers are replacing the jobs in the bank. Also, ATM machine is replacing the jobs in the bank. What happened actually? The banks actually saved cost. This bank teller and people those who are available. They replacing by these ATM machines. They cost money saved. So opened many branches. Many branches they opened, and they also created jobs, because when branches are open, people are required to run the branches, sales, operations, and low-level jobs are also required. Customer service, when front to front desks, they're also required. So you see, it is actually in our mind that whenever we go for the change, there will be some effect, no doubt, but it is no such that we are thinking the way it is. It is not like that. So what are jobs are being created? High-end jobs, if you see the AI. When AI is there, you have to maintain the AI also, no? How to maintain? So AI engineers and data scientists, because new AI tools are required, and that's why AI engineers and data scientists are required. AI ethical experts, where AI being used, whether it is fairly used, harmoniously used or not, that we have to see. AI assistants in teaching and training. Now, teaching can be done by AI agent. They can do teaching. Healthcare, to diagnose the disease, medicines, agriculture. Now, drones and AI, they can be used in agriculture to improve the productivity. The farmers can be rich by using this AI technology and robots, because productivity will definitely increase. They can give the idea which type of crops you want to grow in your field by testing the soil and the climate, how the climate is suiting which type of crop. See how it is creating the jobs. Instead of actually running away from that means jobs, AI is shifting job role actually. You see, AI is actually okay replacing, but they're shifting the job roles and creating opportunities for growth. Next, let us see which jobs are at risk. Data entry and clerical jobs, definitely. These are at risk. Definitely, gradually it will be vanished. Basic customer support already we discussed. Chatbots, manufacturing jobs, car manufacturing jobs, all the robots and AI they are doing right now, and warehouses also, robots and AI. Routine accounting work, like in getting a report, it is also being replaced already. I think replaced. Example, let us take McDonald's, the high-end McDonald's. So McDonald's store, where you go and order through a cashier. That is not happening now. You just no need to talk to a cashier. You just advise or talk to the AI machine which is available. It can take your order. So these type of jobs are at risk. Now, which are actually green jobs, evergreen jobs, actually. First one is healthcare and doctors. Healthcare and doctors. That means nurses and doctors will be in demand, because it is clear we are producing more ill people, isn't it? All the diseases, new diseases are coming, and the dangerous disease they are increasing, like cancer. It is increasing. Every district there will be now cancer detection centers as per the government's new budget. So see, so definitely doctors are required and nurses are also required. mental health and counseling professionals. Everybody is now in stress, anxiety, those things, mental health and counseling. Creative and storytelling jobs. Software. Why? Because to manage AI, you need software professions. And what is there actually? You have to improve your skills in software to manage the AI agents or AI tools. Instead of fearing AI, we must focus on skills which AI cannot replicate. Which are the skills that AI cannot replace? Already I have told you, again I am telling you. So it is strategic thinking, creativity, innovation. Then it is emotions, human emotions. It cannot replace, AI cannot replace. Suppose I am talking to you right in front of the camera. When AI agent comes and talk to you, that emotion that it cannot generate. Do you agree with me, or please DM me, please message me. Do you agree with this question? The emotions that is being created by human being to human being and a human being to a AI agent. So what should you do? That is actually AI and learn about AI and start using your basic things. I think you must be using, but upgrade your skills, how you can use more and more. Enhance your productivity. Enhance your productivity and show how productive you are. Develop human-centric skills, emotional skills, creative skills, leadership skills, and behavioral skills. These are required nowadays because as we go forward with this revolutionizing, evolving world, more of these things are required. And stay flexible and adapt. Whenever there is change in your organizations, the technology changes or something is changing, operation is changing, please be flexible and embrace, adapt those things so that you remain and develop yourself for your growth. So how do you like this video? I would request you to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll be very happy to help you out if you need more help. Let us together build a community of super achievers and shout out to the world. Okay? Wait for my next powerful video. If you need a video on any subject, please DM me. All the love, all the power.